In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install Node.js on your Visual Studio Code so you can run your NPM commands. So just like you can see on your screen here, I've installed Node.js on my Visual Studio Code, and you can see this is my NPM. Let me type the command for you guys to see. So NPM and then the space with my V to verify, and you can see I'm on this version 10.92. So that's it. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's very much simple and easy. Before I start, kindly give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. So now to do this, we need to hop on Node.js official website to download it. So let me show you guys the procedure how to do this. So just hop on your browser like this. So this is the link or the extension to this Node.js official website. So it's .organization and Node.js, and you hop on this site like this, hop on the download. When you hop on the main page, just hop on the download like this. So on here, if you are using a Mac, I think this is an automatic something, but if you are using a Mac, you can choose it from here. If you are using Linux, any operating system you are using, choose it. And then your processor too, sometimes you need to choose it. So mine, I'm running a 64-bit processor here. If yours is 86, if you're on an ARM, you choose it and then you click on the installer. So just click on it like this. Good. And then you save it. Like the normal downloads you do online, I already have it, so you can see here. So I'm going to double tap it and show you guys the procedure in installing. It's nothing difficult. So now let's wait for the download to complete, and yes, the download is complete. So we just double tap it, just like I said, normal installation process, and you can see I already have it. So you just type on the next. Let me do it again, so you can see change repair. Now I'm just going to cancel it, and then yeah, let me cancel it like that, and then I have it fully installed on here. So now you just hop on here to verify that it has been installed successfully. You just need to type the NPM and you give a space and then you add the V. I think you should note something like this, and you can see it here. So when you want to create an app to, you just your NPM and then you add your init and then create an app. You choose your folder and you're good to go. And then so after the installation, if you run the NPM and you get an error, then it means your PC PowerShell is having some scripting problem. I have a video on that, so I'm going to drop a link to that video in this description. So if you watch that video, you follow me and then you solve the problem. After that, when you come here and tap your NPM, you're not going to get any sort of scripting errors. That's going to refer you to go to Microsoft official website. So that's it. So I'm just going to end it here. If you find that problem after the installation process, you can check my videos description and then go watch that video. So that's it. If you are new here, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.